Good morning. Hello. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. How's it going? Sly Fox, hey there. Dan K, what up? Natasha is here. Hello, good morning. TLA Trader, Bowser, Cash Owl. Wow. Everyone is here. Nice to see you. What's happening? What's happening? Any news? Look at this range here. Do we really want to trade? Nissim, hey, good to see you, Nissim. Yeah, time change. Yeah, but I was wondering if I should, you might be asking, why don't we start trading at 2 a.m.? I would say about these times, when there's the daylight saving shift, I would say we have to stick with the London Open, which means there's no point for me to start earlier. We still have 1 hour until London Open, so for the next 3 weeks in the Eastern Standard Time, I'm gonna be starting at 3 a.m. because we're still like on the London schedule here, and 1 more hour. All right, I think it's the 30th of March this month, which is gonna be a Sunday when the European time shift is happening. Let me change something in the camera here. So yeah, we still have time. 3 weeks. How is everybody? How was the weekend? I hope everybody recharged. Karsten, good morning. Farhad is here. Hello. And Naomi, welcome. Yeah, the weekend was great. Really great. So here we are. Here we are trying to figure out what to do, right? Okay, there was a possible long opportunity there. Okay, the trade took for a while. I think it might want to go back. Oh, totally forgot to point this here. We have a new week opening gap as well again. New week opening gap starts here, and that's the low, and we have the high up here at the close. So new week opening gap high, and new week opening gap low. The range right now, well, it's like 15 points or something. I don't even know. So okay. So I'd say we might just go up to 207. I mean, that's a good distance, to be honest. Spring is coming. Yeah, the birds are already singing out here. Robert, hey, good morning. And Kirk is here. Welcome. Good to see everyone. All right. Let's see some level. There's not much to do, by the way. We had the sweep on the 15-minute. Was there some kind of a significant level here? Not much, right? I would say this could be an Asia low, but officially I would go with this down here as an Asia low. That one. As for Asia high, hard to say. We might be at 155. Let's just gonna wait and see what's going on. How is everyone? I already asked that, I know. Let me start my Discord. I want to check something. Okay. All right. Not much is going on. Ollie, good morning. Oh yeah, job openings Wednesday. CPI week, yeah. The CPI is definitely day trader's paradise, but be careful there, you know. Oh, you messaged me on X? Let me check it. Let me check it. Oh, I see. You okay? Let me follow you back here, Natasha. Okay. I have some notifications here. I have to check. Oh, and now I have the message. I didn't see that. Oh, I'm okay. I'm sorry, Natasha. I'm just seeing the message right now. Yeah. I see the video. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Great short. Great short video. So I had the multiple messages and I wasn't sure. Thank you again. No, Farhad. I haven't participated yet. Maybe I should. I think there's still time to participate in the competition. This positive, the dollar has taken a break from. I'm not sure, TLA trader. I don't really see the correlation between those stuff. I mean, not really into that. I'm not really sure. I think we should fill the gap. The question is it going to happen right now in the London session or later? What's up in my camera here? I don't know. It wants to fall off. Green, good morning. Hello. Hello. So it might want to fill the gap. But for now, good question. How long do Bulenox normally take to reply ticket support? Southern semester account. Green forms. Don't worry about it, Green. You can trade on it. Usually, Bulenox replies in New York business hours. So if you send them a support ticket on the weekend or in London session, they usually reply only in the New York business hours. So you should be having a reply sometime until lunch hour, hopefully, in New York. But I mean, it is what it is. But they operate support in business hours. But they always reply. They always do. So should be okay. No problem. But they will, 100%. %. Bad Mouse, yo, what's up? Good to see you. Looking for some setups here, but no setup to go with. I think it just wants to. I mean, I'm not going to force myself into a trade here for now. Yeah, I just checked it, Natasha. Awesome video. Thanks for putting me on your channel. Okay. What is going on? Camille, hey, you're back. Good to see you. Oh, absolutely, Natasha. I like it. I like it. Absolutely. Anytime you can do. I mean, anytime. Yeah, very tight range. Yeah, very tight range. So that's why it's a little bit like, I don't know. Let's check on gold. Haven't really checked on gold this morning, right? Not much is happening here as well. I can tell you that this London session could be a slow one. Let's put this here as, no, not sell side liquidity, previous day low. Previous day low and previous day high. And what else? All right. So gold is also slowly edging higher. We have an Asia high here on gold. No, not Asia low, Asia high. And down there, well, not so sure. Swept a bit of liquidity here on the 5-minute. Could be a possible short opportunity happening. And also, NQ might want to go short as well. Not sure. Free TraderFi reset. The 50k growth account because of trader rate problems. Oh yeah, they were having some issues. I heard that. But hey, all is good until they do the reset, and it was a good gesture from them. I mean, that's a good thing. That is absolutely a good thing. Okay. What is happening? What is happening? Gold seemingly still wants to go lower. which is cool. I don't know if I want to get into a gold trade right now. Not sure I want to. Especially not on a funded account. But let's see what is possible. All right. The problem is we're too much in a tight range, and okay. Gold might want to go lower. Who knows? Maybe I should have taken a gold trade, right? All right, NQ slowly going lower, but there was no entry here. Might want to go all the way down to that 20k level for that Asia low, but I don't see anything. I was watching gold a little bit. Maybe it would have been good for a short. Hold on, let me search for something here. Okay. So far, just sideways. After NFP, yeah, definitely. Gotta be careful. Robert, hey! Yeah. Good morning, Robert. Risk anything new. Take profit trader founded in Apex. Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, if you don't see a clean move, absolutely don't risk it in the London session. It's unnecessary to do unnecessary risk here. Yeah, so I completely agree with that. I also have, by the way, which one is that? I have two Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. One is this one is at $776 in profit, and the other one is getting closer to being funded at 1,366. I mean, not funded, sorry, these are funded accounts, to being at the payout level. So I have to make $2,000 on these ones, and I can reach the daily payout level. Hopefully I can get there as soon as possible. That would be awesome. That would be great. All right. 60 might break out. Oh, the euro is breaking out. Nice. Yeah, the funded account, when you're at the funded stage, and especially when you reach the safety threshold level, that is like basically exactly the same kind of feeling when you have a real account, right? I mean, say what you want, but even some brokerages don't pay you on the same day. Some of them are paying you in 2 or 3 business days. The withdrawal takes process within 2 business days. So if you have a Take Profit Trader funded account, which is above the safety net, it is like 98% the same as you're having your own personal funded account. I mean, not personal, your personal trading account, not funded account. As if you're having your personal trading account, and it's an awesome feeling. So yeah. Anyway. Gold might slowly getting higher. Need one account just for the fuel, yeah. Yeah. It's well, you know, I'm not driving like crazy with the car nowadays. I mean, especially, I mean, I'm like a slow driver. When I was younger, I was doing some crazy driving stunts. I'm not proud of it, but I'm pretty much, you know, obeying the speed limit and not doing crazy things with it. So I'm just enjoying the ride. So yeah. So there was these car meetings. You know, I was like in my 20s, and you know, I joined some of these BMW meets and greets, and you know, everybody. And it was fun, and you know, like the all usual Fast and Furious stuff, but in a much lower level. and so I was into that stuff. But nowadays I'm just like just slowly. I see those youngsters still like I was, and I was like, oh geez, I did that. I did. I did that. I mean, I'm definitely. I mean, I'm just driving slowly. I mean, I don't want to go into these drag racing or stuff. You know. I mean, that was 20 years ago when I did that. And I'm not doing it nowadays. I'm just trying to preserve the condition of the car as much as possible. Anyway, what nothing is happening here. Nothing. In a range. At least I would like to see some level taken out, but nothing so far. Equal low on the at 06. Yeah. Yeah, the Asia low seems like an equal low here. That's a good target. I might even say that on the 5 minute there might be a small shift to the downside, or maybe here on this 1 minute. I mean, it took out the liquidity level. It might want to continue lower, so it could be a possible short opportunity if anyone wants to risk it for the biscuit, you know. I might even do that with 2 micros. Why not? Let's see. Gold is moving higher. I think it wants to pop another high. Gold. What else? NQ repricing this 1 minute gap. Pare, good morning. The Canary Islands. Oh my God, it's a beautiful place. I have to follow the market move. Oh yeah. I know you said it before. The Canary Islands. It's just such a beautiful place. A small sell-off on the 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's see, Jose. Let's see. Motivation healing. Didn't know. Daylight saving. Yeah. It's not in Europe. It's in the US. It's in the US. But I'm starting. So in Europe, it's gonna be the 30th of March. The 30th of March. So it's about 3 weeks. And this means that in the meantime, because I don't want to sit here 2 hours before London Open, we're gonna be start streaming around 3 a.m. instead of 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I mean, there's no point sitting here waiting 2 hours for London to open. and it's gonna be like this until Europe is gonna be shifting to summertime. So it is what it is. Waldo, good to see you back. Hey, doing great. I took a small short position on NQ. Not that it matters too much. Trying to target some levels down there. Where is it? No, it's not it. Where is it? Where is it? Da, 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 da. 80. Yeah, I'm targeting 44, but it's just because of the standard deviation here. My entry is not good, but I believe if we go down, there's one little swing low here at 37, and this area, it's a good target and still fits into risk to reward ratio, and we have equal lows down at 06. So, you know, why not? Why not? What, we could be sitting here in this position for a while. Yeah. So today, by European time zone, we're gonna be starting a little bit earlier. At least it's gonna be a little bit earlier for me. But it's okay. Or is it? Yeah. I'm gonna be starting earlier the New York session. Yeah. An hour earlier. And I don't know, let's see. Oh yeah, it's still on. I mean, the Apex sale is going on until Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not even sure, something like that. It's gonna be starting at the 30th of March. Yes, exactly, Satoshi. So until the end of the month, this is gonna be the schedule. I'm gonna be start streaming at 3 a.m. because no point, as I said, sitting here 1 hour earlier plus. I mean 2 hours earlier before London Open. So the kill zone is a little bit shifting in these few weeks, in my opinion. So yeah. Okay, all right, it's going higher. Okay, gold is also going up. Not much is happening. We might want to close the new week opening gap here. So no surprise. Yeah, it's going higher. I think I'm closing it. There's no point holding this trade for nothing. All right, it's closed. Seems like we're shifting higher a little bit. What a start. Oh man, I don't see anything here. Gold is just made an equal high up there. NQ seemingly wants to push it higher. Gotta wait. All right. Oh man, it's just not doing anything that I like here. Gold is stuck up there. NQ might try to go down again. Okay. Seemingly wants to push it back up there. Not much is moving, not much. So what's happening in the prop firm space? Until we wait for this. Not gonna force anything. Man, this price action is just so boring, so boring. NQ seemingly wants to push it up there. Not much to do. Yeah, exactly, Tim. I completely agree. This consolidation is just not something I'm looking into right now. Anyway. Edgaras, hey, welcome. What's happening? Oh, man. It's gonna open earlier. So the US had the daylight saving time shift already. EU is gonna have it on the end of the month, on the 30th of March. So that means we're gonna be having a little bit earlier stream in New York as well. So yeah, I'll be right back. All right, we're here. Not much to do. Seems like going lower. What's up with gold? Oh, gold just melted away. Wow. What a drop here. We still have 5 minutes until London Open. Gotta be careful. If it starts to go lower, well, you know, it might go down to that 0.06 level. Sometimes, no, no issues, Natasha. With I mean, I never experienced anything about that because mostly I use a rhythmic connection, you know. But as far as I know from the people who use Tradeaway, there were no issues. But I hope it stays that way. Well, almost. Man, not at the same time. There's gonna be. Oh yeah, sorry. At the same time, yeah. Pre-market and London Open at the same time. Yeah. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Extremely fun. Are we gonna go down and take out previous day low? Seems like it wants to. Anyway, back to NQ. What else is going on? Hey Mitch, good to see you. Long time, yeah. Asia session, I would say it's somewhere because it's, well, I would say technically it should be from around 9 p.m. when the markets open. It should be from 9 p.m. So before the shift, it was like from 8 p.m. and now it should be the 9. Hold on a second. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, it's everything is shifted with 1 hour now. So, but only until the end of the month, like technically referring to the European shift. But yeah, 1 hour. And I don't know. The question is there a time zone shift? So, for example, it depends on which market. Is there a time zone shift in Asia or Japan or, you know, That's the big question. We have the pre-market and London Open now, by the way. Just saying. Yeah, the London Open hasn't changed. It's still at the same time. So everything got a little bit more congested here at the London Open. Okay, NQ slowly going up there. Gold is not doing anything. So the pre-market open and the London Open didn't really do much. Still sideways. Not the kind of action I was expecting, but what can we do, right? I think it should be going lower, you know, to take out that 77. I think so. Not sure. But that's what I would say. Yeah, somewhere around 77-ish. I took a scalp from 92. I don't even have a stop on it. I have one now, but it's mostly a scalp. It should be taking that. Oh no. Come on. Just one spike to the downside. Should be okay. Come on. Solved it. Oh, something didn't work out. 933 as your ratio. Yeah, I put it there. No, I don't have it. No. My Asia low is at 06, 20,006 because of these relative equal lows. I know that the reset was here. The daily reset or the Sunday open. Oh, not the Sunday open, sorry. The low here. But I'm still using this. I mean, I'm really not sure from which hour to count the Asia Open. I usually search for significant lows from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. You know, before the time zone shift, the markets opened at I mean, we looked after it and it was 8 p.m. But I don't know now. That's a good question. It's a tough question if there was a time zone shift in the Asia region. But I would say that the 20,006, this one could be an interesting level for a possible Asia low. Wait, on PC. Oh, you're learning on PC. Okay. Ah. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Thanks for joining, Natasha. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Isham, hello. Definitely, we're going to connect for a stream. Sure. Sure, absolutely, Isham. Any questions, shoot away. Is this going low? No. Let me check on gold again. Interesting how gold is just congesting into a small little range here. And we have almost like relative equal lows 3 times here. Kind of interesting. How long or how far? 60 points down. It can go. If you make 5k profit on taper of SK Eval, then they move you into a live account. Okay. Yes, exactly. Exactly. If you make 5k, obviously you have to be good with the consist. You only have to make 3k. Obviously, you know that. But if you make 5k, oh, definitely. There's no point to make 5k. By the way, that's what I meant to say. So you do know that $3,000 is the profit target. There's absolutely no point of making 5k on your test account. So especially if you're going over the 50% consistency limit. So I would say, Isham, that once you get above $3,000 on the test account, just leave it. They are going to deactivate the test account or eval once you get the funded account, by the way. So it's going to be deactivated. So yeah, no point to go for 5k. Oh, so from Pro to Pro Plus, I see. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so well, once you reach overall profits $10,000. Yeah, I know. Okay, now I get it. Sorry, I'm sorry. Once you reach $10,000, you're gonna get moved. So if you withdraw money from your Pro account, once you reach $10,000, you're going to be moved into a live account anyways. And you cannot trade on that particular simulated funded account anymore. So if you start withdrawing the money, sooner or later, you're going to reach the $10,000 on that account. And you're just automatically going to a live account. That's it. At least that's what I've been told. So No point keeping the profits there or down or whatever. Just take it out and move to a live account, because that's going to be the end goal anyways. No, not the rest of the the pro accounts. It's per account. It's not like a Top Step. Top Step cancels all your XFA accounts. Yeah. I know what you mean. So Top Step, for example, cancels all your XFAs. Yeah, that's what they're doing. That's why some people were a little bit disappointed. Like, once you get to a certain payout at Top Step, they're just canceling all your simulated funded accounts and moving you to one single live account. For now, it seems like Take Profit Trader still keeps you on the other simulated funded accounts. So I don't know if that rule is going to change. I think it will change, by the way. In my opinion, I would be betting some money that Take Profit Trader is going to follow Top Step, and not just everybody's going to follow the same path, because once they leave people on the simulated funded account, they are bleeding out money because it comes from their own pockets. So you have to do something, and paid by the market is the fastest or the simplest way. Tomster sucks now. Hey, Mullo is here. Hi. Welcome, Mullo. Good to see you. How are you? Yeah, Isham. Exactly. So, if you have multiple funded accounts with Take Profit Trader, you're still good. Okay. Once you withdraw 10K from one account, then that particular account definitely gonna get deactivated and moving you to a live account. But sooner or later, I think Take Profit Trader is also going to close this loophole, because they are bleeding out money. I think you can have 5 funded account or 6. I think 5 simulated funded account with Take Profit Trader. I think they're also going to close that loophole, but for now, it's still working. So, yeah. 5 at the moment, yeah. Doing good. Awesome. Well, just a slow London session here. I mean, so far we were just ranging, and I was hoping for some liquidity sweep lower, but it didn't happen. Take a better chill. Yeah, and not change any rules. They seem to get overwhelmed with support issues on any changes they make. Yeah. By the way, that's a good point, Naomi. So right now, Take Profit Trader is in a very, very good spot. Like, I know that they are not the cheapest right now. The cheapest right now is Tradeify and MyFundedFutures, including the activation fee. There's no activation right now, of course, with Take Profit Trader 2, particularly. But the payout policy, say what you want. Other prop firms are awesome as well. I like MyFundedFutures. Tradeify is good too. So we have some really good ones. Top Step is obviously OG, but the payout policy, say what you want. The best right now is with Take Profit Trader. If anyone can tell me a better payout policy compared to the other prop firms in the futures, I don't know any better than Take Profit Trader payout policy right now. Trade Day. Oh, sure. Trade Day also pays out daily, right? You can request a payout. Yeah, you caught me there. Trade Day, yeah. Trade Day also has that. Yeah. Sorry. Trade Day. Daily payouts. Man, I think I'm gonna get a Trade Day account, by the way. Fast delivery. Dude, I'm gonna get a Trade Day account. The only thing with Trade Day is that you can have only one account at a time. I think. Grandma's wallet, also very good. Did Reza ever got the problem resolved with TickTickTrader? No, not really, unfortunately. Unfortunately, they don't. I mean, he didn't. Only as long as they, yeah, as long as. So the thing had cash out that happened. I think I can tell you guys that. I'm not sure if Reza is here right now, but they denied the payout. So he got denied like $8,000 or $9,000. I don't even know how much, or was it more? Something like that. So he got denied the payouts, and they refunded him the activation fees and the evaluation fees or something like that. I don't know. They refunded him. He can still trade with them, but they refunded him. And the reason is because he was trading from a restricted country. So the IP address has been tracked by TickTickTrader, and they didn't pay out his money, which is, I think, is a little bit of a shady business, to be honest. And I'm really thinking to re-evaluate my my view on TickTickTrader. I'm still affiliated with them, and I do trade with them on a evaluation account. I just don't like the way this has been handled, to be honest. I think it was just, I think that they were lucky, and Reza was unlucky that he was pushing the button on his laptop in Afghanistan. I mean, I get it, the rules are rules, but the thing with TickTickTrader, they added this rule after they closed his account. So they added this after they closed the account. And to me, that is shady, to be honest. Because every trader is trying to trade by the rules what these prop firms are giving us, right? And TickTickTrader never said anything before like, yes, you cannot register with a passport from a restricted country, right? They said it clear. Okay, Reza had papers and passport and everything from United Arab Emirates, which is allowed at TickTickTrader. He visited family, pushed a few buttons to trade on his laptop in Afghanistan, and boom, they closed the account. And I came up with the rule after he did that. Now that is shady. And though I'm still trading with them, and they're still like overall reputable prop firm because they're in business since a few years, and they're paying out people, but this is something, this is under the belt, as they say. This was really under the belt, and I don't like that. Yeah, Reza, he really, I mean, he's a good trader. He took payouts from multiple prop firms, and this was a shady excuse, to be honest, from TickTickTrader. Yeah, TopStep has the same rule. Rules are rules, and so I don't want to defend TickTickTrader. Absolutely not. TopStep has the same thing, but TickTickTrader came up with this after they modified their terms of use and everything after this happened. At least, worst case scenario, at least, if I would be TickTickTrader, I would say, okay, we give you worst case scenario, worst of the worst case, we give you 50% of your profits, you know, because we did the glitch by not putting it out on the website, but you shouldn't have traded from restricted country, blah, blah, blah. But still, maybe not even that. Maybe they should have just paid him full profit, and then just, you know, call it a unique situation. Maybe that would have been the best thing, you know. One unique exception, they changing the rules, but not like this. No. Yeah, Isham, plain and simple, they just wanted to, they were lucky they said, "Oh my God, we can save $8,000. Let's save some money." Yeah, that's that would be more logical. Oh, the German index closed the gap. All right, let's see. Trade day so far, no issues has ever been came up with the trade day. By the way, yeah, that's unfair. Yeah, Reza is a real nice person, and that was absolutely unfair. What they did to him. I know other prop firms has the same rule. Other prop firms has that, but still, it's just not something. It's not something you want to go with. Take profit trader is the best, Paras. It is racist. No racism. No. I wasn't mean to say racist. I don't know. I have. Sorry if I said something bad. I have absolutely zero. No, I never wanted to say anything. I was just. I don't think it's about racism or anything. I don't know. I'm sorry if I said something. So yeah, take profit trader is good. Absolutely a good prop firm. Yeah. So Natasha, I hope I didn't offended anything. I hope I didn't sound racist or anything. I didn't say anything about that. It's not just what they are doing with these restricted countries. I don't know. No. I hope I wasn't misunderstood. I'm just saying I hope I didn't say anything. I was just saying that worst case scenario, take profit tick trader should have gave like yeah, I understand. Okay, I understand. But I if tick trader would have been a gen like a real you know like a straightforward prop firm, like, okay, it was our thing, we did the glitch, we did not clarify the rules. That's why I was said the worst of the worst case scenario, they should have paid out at least 50% of the profits, but most likely, one exception for paying out, and I don't know. Yeah, Martin. Yeah, I'm the dad of Kirk. Nancy Pelosi. Yeah. Yeah, I thought that I said something wrong, Natasha. I sometimes I don't think, I just say stupid stuff. I was just saying that I think Tick Trader would have come out from this situation as a hero if they would have said, "Okay, we're gonna pay him out, but this is a one-time exception, and we're gonna put it out loud and clear to our website that please watch for this." If they're really making good profits, and I think Tick Trader is still making some good sales and good profits, $8,000 ish should not have caused them too much trouble to pay out to Reza, I think. So, but anyway. But anyway. I'm out of coffee. Exactly, Paras. It stops. Yes, exactly. It's gonna lock in. It locks in. Exactly. And by the way, there's gonna be a special take profit trader giveaway coming up. I can already say that. It's Monday. I will have the details by tomorrow. Worst case scenario on Wednesday. So yeah, it's not okay, Natasha. It's not okay. And it's not just because of that, Natasha. It's because of the OFAC restriction list. So let me show you, Natasha. Everybody on this, every prop firm. Let me show you. These prop firms are having the same list, created by the OFAC, which is the U.S. Bureau for Trading Restrictions against these countries. Now, this is a MyFundedFutures list here, but the same applies to most of these prop firms. And here it is: Office of Foreign Assets Control Regulation. And you can go for their website, the OFAC website. And this is the main reason these prop firms don't really want to do business in these countries. Some of them made an exception with some countries, but basically it's kind of a sanction list for some trading activities. But it's because of this. And, you know, first place Afghanistan here. Obviously, it's alphabetical. But, you know, some countries as well does not deserve to be here. I don't know why the hell is this. But, you know. To 80. I think we can. There is a small gap up there. I'm not in a trade yet. So I'm still waiting. Starting a bear market, Steam. It's hard to say. Let me look at the daily. I mean, this is not a real strong structure shift. The past few days, trading days, they just wicked down, you know. And there's no major structure shift. However, let me put a line here. We have a daily fair value gap down there. Totally forgot to look at that. I'm gonna put a sell side liquidity level. There's a daily fair value gap. I think we could shift, but because these daily candles were just wicks and and these were not down close candles, I think we can expect a possible bounce here anytime. I mean, look at that. There's still some room to go lower. I think we should go through the 06, but it's always the US, yeah. And that's why partially I will start to trade with the CFD prop firm too. I will start to trade with CFD as well. Because who knows what changes are going to happen due to regulations. And so we never know. We never know. Yes, swept Asia low. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. We technically did. Yeah, so it could be a turnaround here. Relative equal lows, by the way, on NQ. I think it's still a valid point to go down. I wonder if it wants to go down to 19 or whatever. So far, it seems like it. Gotta be careful. It's not far. What's the time right now? We still have time. So we'll see, I guess. Yeah, I know, TLA trader. Which CFD? None of them can be really trusted. All CFD prop firms and brokerages are a little bit could be shady. I would say the fivers seem to be okay. I'm already trading with the fivers right now, so I'm testing them, and they seem to be trustworthy. So yeah, they seem to be okay. Look at that, slowly going down there. Slow, slow, slow. Oh man. Should be breaking that 06. What do you guys think? What was the low here again? Because it was relative equal lows. This one was 0675. This one was 0675. So yeah, it's getting very close. Almost down there. Yeah. But if it wants to go higher, I would like to see a sweep before going higher, to be honest. I really, really wanted to see a nice little sweep there of the lows. Let me check it here on the mini. It was 07, right? Almost. Almost. On the mini, the low was 0675 here. 07. So 0675 on the mini as well. Huh. Almost the same. Yeah, it could be bouncing too. Doesn't really want to take it. Yeah, it's bouncing. It's bouncing, maybe. or at least going sideways. That means that this Asia low, that 0675, is really kind of like, it's a bit significant level here. Now look at that. It's kind of significant. Now it could be a squeeze. A squeeze could be happening. Fred, good morning. Hello. Be careful, everybody. Be careful with the longs and be careful with the short as well. There is some support here. Some buyers are pushing price up a little bit. But I think it should go through. Maybe now. Maybe now it will go through. Come on, there you go. All right. There you go. Nice. Wow. All right. It did go through. Let's go to the 5-minute. Now let's see if we're going to have some kind of a turnaround, or is it want to go lower? Maybe to this low at 933. TP hit. Let's go, Wally. Congratulations. Jerry Lewis Jean. Hello. Welcome. Maria, good morning. Good to see everybody. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. What's it gonna be? Oh man. Nothing is moving. Let's check on gold. All right, gold took out previous day low. That is good. I like it. And took out one more low right here. As sell side liquidity. That was a Thursday low. Okay. And then there's nothing else below that. Back to NQ. As I said, we could go down to this. $9.33. I don't know. I don't see any trade that I like here. I'm just gonna wait for a retracement here. I'm sorry, not just a retracement, until a structure shift. Well, we might go. I have 933 there, but you know, maybe it's hard to say. You know, it's so much bearish now that I think it can absolutely continue lower. but for me, entering here would be a low probability. You wanted to short at 125, you missed the move. Yeah, trust me, I wanted to go short as well. Actually, I did. I went short somewhere here. As you can see, I got stopped out here, and then I got scared to short again. And the FOMO is real. The FOMO absolutely kicked in on this one. I can't turn it around, right? Anyway. Not much I can do with it myself as well. I might gonna be watching gold for a little bit if it's gonna shift, or maybe NQ. Stop loss hunter. Well, we had a nice little downfall of the NQ all the way down to Asia low and maybe down to previous day. Is this previous day low? No, we have a previous day low, the Friday low. So we might continue. There's a Sunday low at 933. I think it can go lower. I missed the action here because I got stopped on a short out there. And that's all that happened. It absolutely sharp now. I completely agree. It is real. It is real for sure. It's real. Look at that. Wants to go. It wants to go. Wants to break lower than 72, it seems like it. Yeah. I think it will break it. 72.5 down there. Interesting. Yeah, there you go. There you go. What a break. I definitely feel the FOMO now. I'm so not used to trendline marketing when the price is, yeah. Yeah, trending market. So, yeah, trending market. Sorry. Oh, thank you, Fieldbird. Well, trust me, it takes a toll on me sometimes. MB, hello. Yeah, I took a short up there. I took a short up there, got stopped out, and then I missed the move because I was scared to jump in again. It started to go down, and I was scared to jump in. So now it seems like it's just going lower. So I missed it. I missed my move. Naomi likes the 962 to get out of shorts. Yeah. You know, because it can just go sideways. I agree. Or it can just bounce around. 62 is good. I think it's the mid-level of the long wick to the left. Absolutely stop loss hunter. Maybe. I don't know, Naomi. Maybe. The problem is, I feel such a big FOMO here. I'm just not going to do anything with this. It feels like it wants to take down that 33, but I'm just like... I missed the move already, and I just don't feel comfortable with this anymore. Still have time, obviously. Especially now that we are in the macro, we're getting closer to a close. Look at that. But the problem is it can just bounce up there super quick. And I don't want to be in that trade. So I'm still gonna wait. Is there a gap on NQ? Daily, please, December, January, we bounced up that trend line on Friday. Oh yeah, we did. We could have, yeah. You trade crude oil. That offers a decent price. Action from 1 to 1.52 R. So most of those doesn't affect it too much. But if I trade NQ, I feel like I can pass. Oh yeah, because you know, NQ can definitely move real fast, real quick, and that's what everybody wants. Get done with it, you know. Yeah, Martin, let's watch the opening candle. That would be so. Just, you know, get ready. Maybe SNT, yeah. It's I mean, you don't be hard on yourself. Like why don't you just why can't you just commit to NQ? I mean, nothing wrong with trading crude oil too. You just have to use proper risk management. So you have to size down on both of the positions, and you can easily take both markets if you want to. In my opinion, it's hard to watch even just two markets. So one is too hard to watch just one market, but two markets. And one more thing about crude oil, I think it's only best to trade in New York business hours. So when there is no bank holiday, New York is full open. That's the best time to trade crude oil, not in the London session, I think. But that's my, you know, personal opinion. Otherwise, if you like to trade in London session 2 or in Asia, then NQ might be a better choice. Try to stay, or you can manage two accounts separately. For example, on one account you only trade crude oil, and the other account is only going to be dedicated to NQ. That's also a way so you can trade it. All right, are we going lower here? Seems like we might. We might just gonna bounce here. Who knows? All the way. Okay, we have an open here. I wonder if it wants to go lower. That's gonna be interesting. Yeah, it could be. Could be a stop loss on it, right? Could be. And this could actually be like a little turnaround here. Not sure. There's a fair value gap higher. There's also a gap lower. But I don't know. Sorry. Hello? Just a quick phone call here. So what's it gonna be here? Is it gonna go higher or what's the plan? What is the plan here? Somebody tell me. Just a second. Sorry, just watching this. All right, what is happening? Is it gonna go up there, pick up some liquidity maybe, or what's the plan here? Is this gonna go higher? Or are we gonna retest? What's the level? The 20K. Hey, Malo, nice. Out 337 times 5. Oh my god, congratulations. Congratulations, Malo. Let me give you an applause on the Take Profit Trader account. Trade session, nice. Congratulations, Malo. Yeah, trendline breaks could be nasty. Yeah, that could be a tricky one. So is this going to try to go up to 20K? Or is it going to try to go back down and take out that 33? There's a 15-minute level up there. No numbers. No big number right now. Equal low on ES. I might try to go for that. Not sure though if it will go. But if yes, then that would be awesome. If ES goes down for it, then it can also do one sweep there. I guess it's up to also ES of what's it gonna do or what's gonna happen now. Is it gonna try to go for it? I think it wants to. Let's see. Are we gonna see a bounce here? Is it try to reprice that? Which level is that? 60.75. Small volume imbalance on the micro. Looking for some kind of a scalp here or whatever. Not much is happening. ES could still be wanting to go down. Is this gonna try to bounce here or finally just go down and take out those lows? What's the deal here? Repriced higher. It's going back up there. Oh, not much to do. It bounced up really nicely. I have some connection issues here. Quant Tower is not connecting properly. Yokozuna, hey there. Okay, so do we have a possible long opportunity here? I think we do. I should have taken a long, by the way, on this one. This here. Could have made it up there. So nice 1 to 2 risk to reward right up there. Even though it was slightly would have taken out the stop there. It was a classic entry. Higher low on 1 minute. Yeah. It can be a possible shift. Seems like it wants to go. On the 5 minute, we have a, well, almost a not too good order block, but we have a, yeah, the 15 minute liquidity has just been taken, so it might even just going to turn around here. The 1 minute looks like we might go lower. If we shift lower, I might try to scalp the lows again, but I don't know. We have some nice levels on the upside there as well. Yeah, for a pullback it would be better. Yeah. Waiting for a pullback would be a better idea, obviously. And the next 15-minute level. There's a flat candle, by the way. I think, which one is that? The 30 on the mini. I think it might want to go for that at 43. Not sure. Oh yeah, yeah. Um, I'm not really into trend lines as much. Yeah. But I do like the idea if this one wants to go up there. Uh, so all right. The higher low was the test of the downtrend line. Oh, I see. Well, it's a bit interesting though to see this movement here. I thought we're gonna move up there to the 40s. Well, didn't go up there yet, but it was close. Oh man, I don't see any entry here. I just don't feel it. I don't know what to do. I kind of frustrated with that FOMO up there. And I really don't know. Yeah, I think it's gonna go lower. Maybe. I don't know. We have a flat candle on the mini. I really like that. Up there at 40. What's the high of that? 44. And I just couldn't figure the way if I should jump in for a short or just wait for another I don't know, or wait for it to take out that 44 level up there. Can be seen on the 15-minute on the mini. It felt like it might want to go up there for that. Yeah, respecting that level. That's the VWAP. Could be. Where's the VWAP here? Oh yeah, definitely. Looks like it. Good target. Yeah, it's very risky to buy up here. That's why I'm just watching, but don't know what to do with it. It's definitely frustrating. Technically, you know, if I stick to the classic ICT 2022 entry, then we could have had an entry here down there. So that was a valid one, but also risky because of that sell side liquidity at 933. And I also do feel a FOMO about that by not taking it, even though it went into a nice drawdown here. Should have taken that. Yeah. Exactly, Jay. It's just a patience game. Wait for the price. Yeah, you don't get exactly. Exactly. And now this is why, I mean, it's frustrating to see this one going nicely, you know, to the upside, because it should have hit my my original take profit. I mean, if I would have entered here as I shoulda, woulda, coulda. Look at that. I would be at my TP2 already by long. And I had the same thing, well, not up here, but could have entered the short there. Anyway. Let's wait and chill. (24/7). I don't know if it's gonna be. I mean, I guess it's gonna be good. I guess it's gonna be good, but I think the market is gonna behave a little bit differently. Maybe the volume is just gonna be so slow on the weekends. I don't know if it's worth the trade. Anyway, everybody, I don't feel it now. I'm really, really struggling with a huge FOMO. And I don't want to force anything. So I'm going to call it here, everybody. I'm sorry I was a little bit frustrated in this London session because of these trades that I left out. I really wanted to get in. And I was scared to jump into a long here. And I don't feel it. I really don't feel it now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not in the best mood to try to force any trade. But hey, I'll be back for the New York session. So I hope to see you guys back. And thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the stream, please use my code, the same code, TomSable for everywhere. Take Profit Trader as well, MyFundedFutures. Check it out. All the prop firms have some sales. Thank you. And I'll be back for a New York session. All right. God bless. Cheers, everybody.